Hello, this is an unboxing video, manufacturer number 2256010. This is made by Umarex. It's a Walther PPQ in black air pistol. I have this item pre-packaged for you so you can get a good visual of the product before ordering. This will shoot pellets or BBs. It has two of your mags, one for BBs, one for your plastic pellets. In the back here it has your operating instructions and owner's manual. Just kind of going to give you a good visual of it here. The safety is right here. Just push it down. When you want to release it, you push it in and pull it back up. To release the bottom, you would just pull it down like so, and then to close it you would just simply do it at the same time like that. So you would just release and it both opens. This is where your CO2s would go. And then to open it, to load it, you would just simply do that. You would place your magazine in there, close it up, and then it's ready to go. And again, this is your Umarex Walther PPQ black air pistol.